up, guys? It's your girl Samarra, and I'm back with another video. Today, I'm gonna be attempting to do this hairstyle with my 4-type hair because your girl don't got a wig, she don't got her hair straightened. So we're gonna have to figure it out with my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, subscribe button. First thing I'm gonna do is just part my head. Oh, and if you guys haven't realized, I'm starting on a twist out. My hair been in twist all week and I took it out and it's so defined. Like, look at it, guys. Like, look at this. Look at this. Like, I have to do something with it. So this is why we finna do this. So I'm just gonna attempt to part my hair right now. And I'm gonna talk. Maybe this will be a montage. Who knows? We'll see. Anyways, y'all, so I'm gonna talk now because I'm getting bored. So how have y'all been? Like, how y'all feeling about this whole quarantine mess? Because to be honest with you, girl, I low-key miss outside. I high-key miss outside. Like, I don't like the fact that I'm being confined to my home. Like, I was a homebody before, but now it's just the simple fact that now I'm a homebody by force. Is just, god damn, do I have an elephant in my house? Now it's just a simple fact that I'm being confined in my house by force instead of by choice. It's just not sitting right with me. Like, I'm a homebody by force now. Like, baby girl. And I live in Massachusetts. If you don't know, now you know. I live in Massachusetts. So we have the 3rd highest cases. By the way, I'm putting eco on my head. I still need to go get me some extreme gel, bro. But your girl been cheap.
Nigga alert. Broke nigga
Is
alert.
it talking about?
Okay, anyways. Yeah, I live in Massachusetts, and Massachusetts have like the 3rd highest cases. The 3rd highest case of corona in the whole freaking country. Like, I just don't know how, like I just don't get it, like, why the North got hit with corona the most. Like, you see New York has the highest, and I'm not surprised because New York has mad heads. Like, that freaking state is huge as hell. I'm not seeing my city coming out anytime soon, bro. I honestly don't see my city, like, releasing the freaking stay-at-home orders. But I see the freaking South is already doing that. Like, goddamn, already. Like, I already see a bunch of people having block parties on freaking Instagram, whatnot. Y'all hair stores are open. If you from the South, you lucky as hell because I'm tired of it here. We were, like, one of the last countries to freaking get hit with corona, and how we, like, one of the main countries with the highest death tolls, highest cases. Like, I don't get it. Like, I don't get it. Italy, which I went like almost 3 months ago, had the highest, and now them motherfuckers are out. Like, they're out. People in, like, the United States are so, like, like nobody want to stay at home. Like, I just don't get it. Like, you would rather die or stay at home. I'm contemplating if I want to do this with an elastic or a freaking scrunchie, because if I do it with an elastic, it won't, like, the ponytail won't look that obvious, but it'll most likely pull my hair. But if I do it with a scrunchie, it'll look too noticeable. I think I'm going to do it with an elastic. But yeah. So comment down below where you're from and what's the current, like, order for your city or state in terms of corona. Because mine is currently stay at home. But they said they're going to start opening up small areas like next week or this week. So we'll see. And I need so many things, bro. I really need a lot of things. Like, Like, as you can see, I've been using the freaking Eco Gel. But, like, I've been telling myself, I'm tired of Eco. I'm tired of it. Like, Eco, like, does good at laying my hair down when I match it up with something. But I need something that just lays my hair down and I don't got to worry about putting something else on. Because I don't like having so much stuff on my head. Like, it just gives me that heavy feeling. Like, what the hell is on my head, bro? Like, even that after crust. But I'm not about to go to freaking CVS, Walgreens, having them charge me like freaking almost $20 from hair products I can get for like $6 at the hair store. Like, are you kidding me? How are you gonna charge more than the actual hair store, bro? It's beyond me. Like, it's beyond me. If y'all don't know already, I made a freaking Poshmark and Depop, and I'm selling some stuff there, which is kind of been like a little side hustle because I've been getting money from it. Like, and I just recently ordered a bunch of things from Shein. Well, not a lot of things, but enough things from Shein. And I'm definitely gonna do a freaking majiggy haul on that because baby girl gotta give y'all a haul. So stay tuned for that. I'm contemplating on, do I want to like pick out the back of my hair to give myself some volume and risk my definition, or just leave it like this? And should I pull out the hair I was supposed to pull out? Pull out. Now hop out. What am I finna do? I don't want to pull it out because then if I want to put it back, it's gonna be a struggle to put it back. But this is not the full hairstyle. But what is those two little strands gonna do for me? Have you made up your mind? Because they're waiting for you. Have you made up your mind? Because they're waiting for you. What did I just pull out? Oh no, I'm messing up my hair. Come out, come out, come out, come out. Bruh, why did I do this? I told you not to do it, girl. I told you not to do it. Now you freaking looking stupid. Think you can get the same kind of hair as other people. Like, oh, I have a hair page. My hair, what are you saying? My hair page is at Her Hair Is Fi on Instagram. So make sure you check that out because I know y'all really love my hair videos. If I freaking, I think I need to pick this up. I'm gonna try to separate some curls first before I pick it out. See, I already lost some definition here, which I don't like. Yeah, so I did a video on like 2 space buns, but I don't know if I'm gonna post it because the quality is giving me real Twilight vibes. Like, it's giving me real Twilight vibes, and I don't like that. I don't want to be giving y'all a hair video in this freaking bootleg quality. Like, it's already enough I don't got a freaking camera. You gonna tell me that my freaking 8 can't, like, try to make things work? I don't even know how I'm gonna do my edges. I can never do swoops on my head. Go. Ooh, shit. Kidding me, bro. gonna tie my head down and I'm gonna come back when this is all shlayed. Alright guys, so I'm back and this is, oh, it's too dark. This is basically the final product. My hair looks really short right now. And I don't know if I'm like really liking it or not, but comment down below what you guys think. This is the final product. I think it's cute for the most part. That's my opinion. And I didn't do the little things up front because, you know, it didn't work out. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Because what did I do?
That.
And that's on what?
Period.
Exactly. See you in my next video.
I ain't tripping about no bitch, no, I ain't crashing about no hoe. Man, I rock out with these glizzy like I rock out at the show.